Ebhentsini-ke laphana bafowethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukhona uPhili uqala from the bench. I believe uPhili uzodlala bafowethu. Uma ubheka i-bench lonke le-Kaizer Chiefs, akuna-wing. uPhili kuphela bafowethu uzokwazi ukureplace uVilakazi or a-replace uBatman. And then abanye abantu esingababheka ebhentshini le-Kaizer Chiefs, u-Ighodaro, uMdu Shabalala ubuyile esquadini se-Kaizer Chiefs. Sobona given an opportunity ukuthi uMdu uzobanikani laphana bafowethu kuKhosi Nation. But yeah, I think uMdu Shabalala, uMdu, uPhili, Ighodaro yibo abane-chance yokungena. Nonkwesa, I like the fact that umfana omncane ukhona laphana ebhentshini, noSolomons ukhona. Umloyisane kubonakala ngathi abakamthembi ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu. Ulaphana ebhentshini nje kule y'nsuku, but sobona maybe usa-build i-confidence yakhe. No-Ox Mthethwa ukhona laphana ebhentshini. Iso-ke isquad se-Kaizer Chiefs siphelele-ke la phezulu kulesi sithombe nibona i-first starting 11, and then nibona noPhili laphana ebhentshini bafowethu. Sisibambeni lana sobona igame ukuthi izohamba kanjani, but-ke Phili, I hope the gods are with you. Ukwazi ukuthola i-opportunity and ukwazi ukuyisebenzisa i-opportunity. To be honest bafowethu, mina I'm not convinced nge-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs ka-Inacho Miguel noKwinika. uKwinika ngimbonile last game ube shaky. If ilo i-Golden Arrows bafowethu izokwazi ukubahlasela, izoyinika i-problem e-serious i-Kaizer Chiefs, but isithemba ukuthi everyone nje bonke laphana emuva bazokwazi ukumisela serious and give everything for the team, bakwazi ukuthola ama-results.